I've got this cheat sheet right here for home service companies that gives you a ton of video ideas and how to start with making a video marketing strategy. So the first thing to understand is when it comes to marketing video, there's really only two types of videos. Videos that create value to your viewer, so education, information, entertainment, or inspiration, and videos that are more sales focused, talking about your business specifically and how you solve your customer's problem. It's important to use the right type of video depending on where they're at in their buying journey. For example, you don't want to be too salesy early on, otherwise they're just going to click away and not watch the video. So let's go over each stage and talk through some video ideas that work best. Starting with awareness, at this point, your customer doesn't even realize that they might have a problem, or they're just in the beginning stages of trying to figure out how to solve that. So some videos that work great for here would be DIY tips. So make videos on problems that your customer can solve themselves without needing a professional. By you making a video like that, establish your business as an expert in the space, and down the road, they might come to you when they have a bigger problem for you to solve. One of my favorite types of videos for this stage would be a before and after transformation. And this video actually works good throughout the entire journey, but the reason it works good in the awareness stage is because a lot of times, like for a landscape designer, people are looking for ideas on how they can transform their backyard. They need ideas for patio, furniture, all that. So if you make a video on a before and after of a customer, it's going to show them ideas for that, but it's also going to put your business in front of them for someone that they know can do that for them. So it's a good way to get your business in front of them early. Another one I really like would be seasonal maintenance tips. So like how to winterize your faucets, how to winterize your sprinklers. If you're an HVAC, you can do how to change out your filters and, prep your furnace for winter. Again, these videos might not get you a customer right away, but it positions your business as an expert early on in their buying journey. And how you're going to use these videos, they work best for social. Obviously, if you're a local business, social is going to be great. And then another spot to put them would be on your website blogs. If you're in marketing, you know how powerful a blog can be for business. And by putting the videos on the blogs, it's going to make those blog posts rank even higher and your page rank higher in Google, which in turn is going to get you more customers. So take that video, put it on YouTube, and then embed it in that blog post. Okay, so as we move into the consideration stage, now we can talk a little bit more about your business specifically and how you can solve their problem, but these videos should still provide some value to the viewer. Some great questions to ask yourself here is, how does my customer do product research? And then what kind of things do they need to know about you before reaching out? That's a great way to get some video ideas, but some ones that I really like here would be like a product comparison video. So if you're a plumber, you could do a video on tank versus tankless water heaters. That's a question that customer is going to have. And again, if you have a video like that and they watch it, it's going to position your brand as an expert. Some other good video ideas would be when to hire a pro. So this is kind of an extension of that DIY video, but give examples where it's really important to hire a professional to do this. For example, anything with a water heater and involving gas, you probably should have a plumber come in there and not do it yourself. So a video like that's great. And another video I really like would be a day in the life video. So take a camera, follow one of your crews around, and just capture organic content throughout the day. You can cut that up into social media clips to post. You can make a longer vlog style video, but the organic kind of raw nature of these videos really establish trust with your customer. And these videos are really easy to make, and a lot of times they can be entertaining too. Now, the goal of the consideration stage is leads and getting people to visit the website. And a great way to get people to go on your website and get leads is integrating a lead magnet into your video. That could be something like a downloadable guide, but a great way to do that is just integrating some sort of promotion where if they watch the video, they get a coupon code or a code that they can go on, enter their email, phone number, and then you get that contact information and can reach out to them. Now, as we move to purchase, at this point, your customer is ready to make their purchase, and they're just making sure that everything is good before they give you a call and book your service. So your videos need to really show the value that you provide of your service or product, and then really demonstrate how you're going to solve that problem. Some great video ideas for this would be customer testimonials. So if you have a customer who absolutely loved your service, see if they'll come on camera. You can interview them, ask them a few questions about how it was to work with you, and you can create a nice case study video out of those. That is a tried and true way to get that social proof that people need before making a purchase from you. Another great video would be the process video or what to expect video. Basically a video that walks through the customer kind of how that day will go when the service is scheduled. You could also do about us videos here, work great too. And then again, like I said, the before and after transformation is a great video type, and having one of these on your videos really provides proof of your service and your expertise. And then finally, advocacy. This is after the purchase. So how do we make that customer a recurring customer? Think about questions like what's going to improve their experience and what kind of content are they going to want to share to their friends. Some good video ideas here would be more behind the scenes content, so just organic day in the life footage. You can run promotions and sales with videos and promote those. That's going to encourage people to share it to their friends who might need your service. Another good type of video would be like maintenance upkeep videos. So you can give these videos to your customer after the service is completed, and that's going to help them do routine maintenance and keep you top of mind. So that's the basics of a video strategy for home services company. You know, it's a little overwhelming when you're talking about all these video ideas. So if you just want to get started, there's a couple videos that I would recommend to do first. One would be the before and after transformation video, mainly because it's just a great way to show the quality of your services. You can make it with your phone, just take some video before the project and after the project, show the transformation. Again, it sets you up as an expert and shows you the quality that you can deliver to your customer. And then the second one would be a customer testimonial video. If you got someone who's raving about your service, just ask them if you could do a quick video. You can take that video, cut it up and make it into clips, and then you can post that throughout the year. And that's going to give you some nice social proof of your business. Thanks for watching. My name's Rob Deveroy. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.